going to need a variety of leaves in different shapes and colors, a black crayon, and colored pencils. Start by taking one of the... I also recommend taping down the top of your drawing to hold everything still and steady. Take one of your leaves and place it under your paper. Be sure to rub around and feel for where that leaf is. Take the crayon, turn it on its side, and rub it over the leaf. The harder you rub, the more details will appear. Be sure to get all along the edges to create a firm, solid outline. Once you've completed that, remove the leaf and take out your colored pencils. Try and find all your fall colors. When I think of fall, I think of reds, browns, yellows, and orange. Maybe even just a little bit of green. Place the rest aside and choose at least 2 colors. You want to include at least 2 colors in each leaf. I start by shading around the stem, usually with the darker color. And about halfway through, switch it up. Take your time and shade neatly within the lines. Once you've finished one leaf, add another, and repeat this process throughout the whole paper. I like to make sure that when I add a new leaf, it's touching the previous one, so they make a chain. You can do this project on either white paper with a black crayon or on black paper with a light colored crayon. I've decided to use gold for this one. To experiment, try different ideas. Try and fill the space as much as possible. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Good luck!